Here's the question. The guy presented this scenario. He says, I have a business. I have Google Workspace accounts for all the email addresses in the business. I'm closing the business down. I don't want all the emails to go to these individual email addresses in my system. I want them all to come to one email address. Here's what I'd recommend. First of all, there may be a Google Workspace domain process for doing this. I'll go look at that and find that. Another way to do it would be to go to each email address that you want forwarded and forward all the emails that come into that email address, forward them to your email address. Show you how to do that in Gmail, which is the same thing in Google Workspace. So I'm logged in this email address. You see this is actually a Gmail address, but it's the same thing for a Google Workspace account as well. Go to settings right here, see all settings. Go to filters and blocked addresses. Go to forwarding, and in forwarding you want to add a forward address. So I'm going to add a forward address. I'm going to use my business email address right there. Hit next. Now it's going to forward mail to T.O. Burris of Burris Consulting. I'm going to say hit proceed. So it says a confirmation email was sent to that email address. I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go to that email address. Hang on a second. And here's the email right there, and there's the code right there, Gmail forwarding confirmation from Burris Consulting at Gmail to send it to T.O. Burris at Burris Consulting. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go back to that Gmail account. Again, this would work for a Google Workspace as well. Put that code in there and hit verify. Now I've added the email address I want to forward to. So I can say forward a copy to this email address, and I can also say delete. So every new email that comes into this account from this point forward, once I hit save, every new email is going to go to T.L. Burris at burrisconsulting.com, and they're going to get deleted, which means they're going to end up in the trash can, and I can see them in the trash can for up to 30 days, but after 30 days they'll go away. So that is pretty simple to do. Again, I would have use Chrome, have two profiles. Have your profile where you're logging in that you want to send messages from, have the profile you want to send messages to, and then set up this forwarding. And then once you set that forwarding up, you have to hit save changes. And now again, every message that comes in here will automatically get forwarded as if it was sent originally. It won't be a FW:, it'll be the original message will be redirected to the other email address. And you can do that for multiple Google Workspace or Gmail accounts and make it all happen. Let me show you a Google Workspace account. Hang on. Here's a Google Workspace account. I'll show you the same functionality here. Go to settings, see all settings, go with forwarding. And I've already connected it right there. So all I have to do is click that. And I can forward to this, and then if I want to, I can archive, mark as read, delete, whatever I want to do, the messages that come in. And again, all I need to do now is hit save, and those messages will immediately get forwarded to this account, and in this context, get marked as read. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.